Hello everybody, today I'm going to be telling you how to add a really good horror AI to your Gorilla Tag fan game. Apologies, I'm a bit sick, but let's just get straight into the video. So, first off, you're going to create an empty game object. Let's just, put it here with these colorful balls. Then you're going to put a cube in it, or whatever your monster is. We're just going to use a cube for this video. And just kind of drag it down here. Make sure the actual monster does not have a collider, or it'll mess it up. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add the networked horror AI script, which is in my Discord server right here. Download it. It works. Trust me, I've tested it in many different games. So once you download that, you also want to go into the teleporting channel and download Best Teleport, and then you're going to import both of them. Then once you import both of them, you are going to add a photon view, make this owner transfer to takeover, and then make synchronization to rely delta compressed. Then you're going to add a photon, transform view. You're going to keep that. Then you are going to add nav mesh agent, which if it doesn't pop up, just go Window, Package Manager, and just wait for it to load. Click Unity Registry. Mine looks a bit different, but it should be there. And then search up AI, and just wait for it to load. This may take a bit. Come on. Okay, it's taking a bit to load. Okay. Then you're gonna see AI navigation, and then here it should say import. Click import, and then a pop-up should appear. Click all and import. Now once that's imported, you're going to add a nav mesh agent and just keep it like this. Then you're going to go Window, AI, Navigation, and then it should make a window that looks pretty similar to this, except there's a lot more stuff on it. My version of Unity is a bit different, but it should say a whole bunch of stuff. Change max slope height to 60, and radius to whatever you want. Radius basically makes it so, as you can see, radius makes it so it's just kind of like the distance between the wall. If you set it to really, really small, it can go really close to the wall. If you set it to really, really big, it can only just go straight in the middle. Anyways, now we are going to add a networked, I spelled that wrong, networked horror AI. And then right in here, I'm going to drag nav mesh agent in, and detection range. You can have that as 10, but you don't have to. Mine is at 6 normally, which you can't really see, but this is kind of the map I have, and it's a good detection range for my map. But you can have yours as anything you want. Then chase speed, normally I have it as 6, so it's just barely slower than the player to make a scary experience. Then you're gonna see tag string. Change this to player. Misspelled that. Player. And you're going to go onto your Gorilla player, and you're going to click tag, and then add tag, and then click this, and then type in player, if you can spell it correctly, unlike me. But I'm not going to do that because I already have that. And then give the Gorilla player the tag of player. Create an empty game object in it. Ignore why it's called AI target. I'll change that now. And just name it like player tag, and then set the tag to player. And then go resources, photon. If you have photon, you're going to click on your player, and then you're going to make the tag as player. Once you do that, you are going to make sure that's 100% player. Then chase speed, 6. Just copy all these, and then wonder points. And this is a point-based AI, so it wanders around in certain points you set. So for an example, you could set a point right here, and the monster, when the game is started, it will go right here. And then if you set another point back here, it'll go back here and it'll just keep following along the points. So copy and paste all your points where you want the monster to be able to get. And when you copy and paste your point, so let's just say this is the point, drag it into wonder points so it actually wanders there. Then when you're going to do that, you're going to add enable onto it, and then go to your Gorilla Player, open it up, main camera, and then create an empty game object and just name it like jump scare. Now I'm not going to teach you how to make a crazy good jump scare, but just kind of add your monster in it. So just like add a cube in front of it, something like that. Remove its collision, and then click window and go where animation is, and then click animation, and just click this create, record it, and just maybe move it back and forwards, and then that's the jump scare. And then in the game object, you're going to drag jump scare in enable. Then when you do that, you're going to add best teleport, which is in my Discord server. You can scroll down, make sure R hand is hand tag and L hand is hand tag, and make sure your controllers have the tag as hand tag. If they don't, make that the tag. Okay. Then when you do that, you're going to drag Gorilla Player under Gorilla Player. By the way, credits to the code of making this. A lot of the scripts I have made tutorials on. I don't really know the owner of them, but just, yeah, credits to the coder for the script. And then in your spawn, so this is like my spawn right here, you're going to create a point and name it TP point. You don't have to name it that, but I do. And you're going to drag it right in the middle, and then your AI, scroll down and drag it into teleport location, and then it should teleport. And in your TP point, you're going to click 3D object cube, and you're going to scale it to like your safe zone. So like this, and they're going to go to your box collider. Oh wait, let me just double check. Okay, yeah. We're going to go to your box collider, or just your box, or box collider. Click is trigger, and you're going to click layer, add layer, and type in non-collidable, exactly like that. And then when you do that, you're going to click edit, project settings. Okay, then you're going to go to physics. Oh no, wrong thing, my bad. Physics 2D, or physics, whatever one it is that has non-collidable. And you're going to go all the way to the end here, at this point, where both non-collidable and non-collidable light up. It should look like this, but just uncheck it. And then your cube, you're going to turn the mesh renderer off, and make the layer non-collidable. And then you're going to add disable, which the disable and enable scripts are in my Discord, so download them because you'll need them. Then you're going to drag your jump scare, and make sure your jump scare is disabled, so you don't get jump scared on spawn. And if you want it to play like a noise, you just add an audio source. And then you drag whatever your noise wants to be in here and just click loop and it'll make the noise. Same, also add that to the jump scare if you want it to have noise. Just kind of add an audio source, drag your source in, make it loop. And yeah, that's how to add a good horror AI to your Gorilla Tag fan game. Thank you guys for watching, join the Discord, subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.